In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master inventory management with Shopify. Whether you're a small business owner or just starting out, managing your stock effectively is crucial for a seamless online selling experience. So, let's dive into the essentials of Shopify inventory management, breaking it down step by step to get you well on your way. First things first, we'll start by enabling inventory tracking. Log into your Shopify admin panel, making your way to the Products section. Select the product you want to manage, find the Inventory section, and enable the Track Quantity option. With this, Shopify will monitor the available quantity for each product or variant, keeping your stock data up to date. Don't forget, you can check the history of inventory adjustments by clicking on Adjustment History. This allows you to review and understand the changes made over time, offering a clearer picture of your stock movements. Next up, it's crucial to choose the right inventory policy for your business. This involves deciding what happens when a product runs out of stock. You'll have a couple of options here. You can opt to continue selling when out of stock, which is perfect for items you can restock reliably or for products available for pre-order. On the flip side, you might decide not to continue selling when stock is depleted. This option prevents customers from purchasing items that aren't available, helping to manage customer expectations effectively. Now, let's discuss managing stock levels, which is fundamental to keeping your inventory data accurate. Shopify gives you the flexibility to manually adjust inventory quantities as needed. This is particularly useful when receiving new stock or processing returns. It's important to ensure order arrival and itinerary updates are promptly recorded in your Shopify system. When new stock arrives, allocate it correctly and test it to confirm quality. Items that are faulty or damaged should be returned to your supplier to avoid discrepancies and maintain customer satisfaction. An essential part of maintaining an accurate inventory is conducting regular audits. These physical inventory checks, often referred to as stock taking, help verify that your online records match the actual stock on hand. Regular audits can help you identify discrepancies stemming from theft, damage, or even administrative errors. It's a good practice to organize your inventory clearly, and when counting items, go through each one meticulously. After you've completed an audit, be sure to update your Shopify records to reflect the physical count. With these steps, you're well equipped to manage your Shopify inventory effectively. By enabling tracking, choosing the right policies, managing stock levels appropriately, and conducting regular audits, beginners like you can maintain accurate stock levels and enjoy a smoother online selling experience. Remember, effective inventory management will not only help in optimizing sales, but also in building a reputable brand that customers trust. Keep practicing, and soon you'll become a pro at inventory management on Shopify.